Hello friends, how are you? And welcome to the USNMix YouTube channel. Today's topic is about Nokia launches 55-inch 4K Smart TV and know its price and specification. So today we'll discuss about this Nokia Smart TV 55-inch 4K Smart TV, its price and specification. But before start, I want to say if you are new in our channel, then subscribe our channel. Science and technology related topics mainly discussed in this channel. If you like our video and like our channel, then don't forget to like, share, subscribe and make comments. And also click on the bell button on the right side. If you click on the bell button, you will get notification for the next videos. And for today we will discuss about the Nokia Smart TV in the first from the USNMix report, and then we will go to the official website of Nokia to get full information, full price and specification of this Nokia Smart TV 4K 55-inch 4K Smart TV. To get full information, please watch the video from the beginning to the end. Otherwise, you do not get the full information and miss many useful information on these topics. Okay, friends, let's start. Let's go to the full report. USNMix report: Nokia's 55-inch display Smart TV launched will get special features. Nokia, the smartphone maker, has launched its first 4K Smart TV in India. Also, the company has partnered with e-commerce site Flipkart to sell this TV. Customers will get the latest features in Nokia Smart TV. So Flipkart, or if you want to purchase this, you can go to online in Flipkart portal, and then you will just purchase from this e-commerce site Flipkart Nokia 55-inch 4K Smart TV. And customers will get the latest features in Nokia Smart TV, and at the same time, the sale of Nokia Smart TV will start from December 10, and this TV of the company will give tough competition to this TV of Xiaomi, Motorola and OnePlus. So this is the competitor of this TV making all the others companies, so it's Xiaomi, Motorola and all OnePlus. And so let's know about the price and specification of Nokia Smart TV. Nokia Smart TV price: the company has priced this 4K Smart TV with 55-inch display with 41,999, approximately 42,000, ₹1 less than 42,000, and it is and also customers will able to buy this TV from Flipkart. Talking the offers, customers will get a discounts of about 10% on this TV purchases. Apart from this TV can also be purchased from this no EMI costs. Nokia Smart TV specification: users will get 55-inch Ultra HD display of this Nokia TV, which has a resolution of 3840 into 2160 pixels. The company has given bezel-less design to the screen of this TV. Also, for better performance, this TV has supported 2.25 GB RAM with quad-core chipset. At the same time, this TV works on Android 9 Pie operating system. So this is the specification. 55-inch TV is the resolution is 3840 into 2160 pixels. The company has given bezel-less screen TV on this screen for better performance. This company has supported, this TV has supported 2.25 GB RAM with quad-core chipset, and the same time this TV works on Android 9 Pie operating system. The company has given these features like intelligent dimming technology, Dolby Vision and HDR10 to this TV in terms of superb sound quality. Also, the company has JLV sound technology in this TV. Apart from this, users will get Netflix, Google Assistant and YouTube in this Smart TV. So all these features are available in this Smart TV, and this is about this report of Nokia 55-inch Smart TV. Price and specification. Now go to the official website of this Nokia website of this Nokia official website, and Nokia Smart TV 55-inch. Know this report about from this official website. Sound by JBL and powered Android 9 Pie. So this is the picture of this Smart TV, 55-inch Smart TV. Pure design, pure performance, pure sound. Here every note, voice and sound with DTS, true surround sound by and Dolby audio, pure display, lifelike picture quality with intelligent dimming, and wide color gamut and pure performance, powered by a quad-core processor and Android 9.0 with built-in Chromecast. So this is the picture of this. Sound by JBL. Sound JBL for minimal distortion at the range, crystal clear vocal tones and deep bass you can feel. Intelligent dimming at the depth of your perspective with darker shades and light tints for better contrast in every frame. And wide color gamut, witness 1.07 billion colors in a single frame. Powered by 9.0, enjoy all your favorite apps directly from the Google Play Store and cast directly your phone with built-in Chromecast. Fewer age, more entertainment, maximum active screen area to keep your eyes completely engaged. What is in the box? 1x Nokia 55-inch UHD 4K Android TV with sound by JBL, 1x remote control, one base stand and screws, and one wall mount stand and screws, and one user manual, one power cord, and 2 AAA batteries. So these parts are available in this box. When you are unboxing this Nokia 45-inch, you will get all these devices in this box. These devices are available with this box. And technical specification general in box: one Nokia 55-inch UHD 4K Android TV with sound by JBL, 1x, one remote control, one base stand and screws, and one wall mount stand and screws, and one user manual, and one powered cord, and 2 AAA batteries. Model name 55 CAUHDN. Color is black. Screen type is LED, and HD technology and resolutions Ultra HD 4K, 3840 into 2160 resolution. 3D no. Smart TV yes. Curved TV no. Series Premium Android. Touchscreen no. Motion sensor no. HDMI 3. USB 2. Wi-Fi type 2.4 GHz. 802.11a by b by g by n. Built with Wi-Fi yes. Launch year 2019. And internet features: built with Wi-Fi yes. Mobile high definition link no. 3G dongle plug and play no. Ethernet RJ45 1. Other features which will go to the full specification of this phone. And Flipkart India Private Limited is license of this Nokia brand for television in India. Nokia is registered trademark of Nokia Corporation. So this is Nokia Smart TV 55-inch is available in this Flipkart website. If you now go to the full specifications: connectivity features: HDMI 3 ports, USB 1, USB 2.0 and 1 3.0. Bluetooth versions: BT 5.0, BT5 Bluetooth 5, BT5, and AV in 1 RCA rear, and VGA audio no. Display features: brightness 4 nits, contrast ratio 1200:1, 1200:1. Picture engine quad-core processor. Picture in picture PIP no. Picture and picture PIP no. View angle 178 degree. Panel type ADS. Digital noise after yes. LED display type direct LED. Aspect ratio auto by 16:9 by 4:3. Panorama zoom P to P. Refresh rate 60 Hz. Refresh rate 60 Hz. Other video features: vivid, standard, user, sports, game modes. Processor quad core. Graphic processor MEL 450 MP. RAM capacity 2.25 GB. Storage memory 16 GB. Supported app Netflix yes. Supported app YouTube. So all these apps are available in this Smart TV. Basically all these apps are available in almost all the smart TVs. If you buy any smart TV, then you will get this instant with this TV. Supported app Netflix yes. Supported app YouTube yes. Supported app Hotstar yes. Supported app Prime yes. Supported mobiles operating system Android Operating system present, yes. Operating system Android. App Store type Google Play Store. Pre-installed browser, yes. Supported device forecasting mobile laptop. Content language English. System language English. And audio features. Number of speaker 2. Number of subwoofers, no. Speaker type box speakers. Sound technology, sound by JBL, Dolby Audio. Surround sound, DTS, true surround. Speaker rating maximum 2 into 12 watt is equal to 24 watt. Sound mode, standard, music support, movie. Convenience features, power requirement 100 to 240 VA, 50 by 60 Hz. Power consumption 150 watt, 0.5 watt standby. Touch remote, no. Smart remote, yes. Operating distance 8 mm. Battery type 2 into AAA batteries. And other remote and control features, voice control, Google Assistant, hotkey for Netflix, YouTube and Google Play. So this is the full specification of this Nokia Smart TV 55 inch from this official website of Nokia. See full specifications. So if you see this video, now you can know about the detailed specification of this Nokia Smart TV 55 inch. And that's it about our topics today. Nokia launches 55 inch 4K Smart TV. And after watching this video, now you can know about the detail about Nokia 55 inch 4K Smart TV price and specification. Hope you will enjoy this video and know about detail about this Nokia Smart TV 4K Smart TV 55 inch full price and specification. And if you like our video and like our channel, you can like, share, subscribe our USNMix YouTube channel. And if you have any information regarding this video or want to ask more, then you can make comments in the comment section on this video of USNMix YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Once again, thank you.